Welcome back to Pawpaw, Sammy, and Allybug's YouTube channel.
So Pawpaw, can you only plant mustard greens in Louisiana in the fall?
No, in Louisiana the weather's calm, usually year-round they'll grow. It would take a real cold snap to kill them, but a cold snap makes them taste better.
I thought she was next.
How quick will they grow? Like, when will she be able to pick them and cook them?
Cooking's the main thing. Usually, at the right time of the year, if the weather's right, you keep them moist, you can go from seed to harvest in about 3 weeks. In 3 weeks, you can start picking individual leaves off each plant. You don't pull the plant up, you just pick a leaf off each one, and you'll have them as the greens, and they'll just keep on growing. And they'll get bigger and bigger and bigger, and they get big. You have all the greens you want.
So she can make something pretty good with that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Cornbread, hopefully.
Ooh.
This is my mustard greens after 1 week. I planted them on a Sunday, and this is the following Sunday. In about 2 more weeks, I'll be able to start taking leaves off little at a time.
Are you going to?
Are you going to edit this video, Aunt Pam? Yes, I am, Luke.
You're not getting this tooth, are you?
Daddy, I don't know.
Where's my mask?
Are you going to plant the mustard greens in the same bed every single year?
Well, if you're short on space, you can. But it's not a good idea to plant anything, tomatoes, anything, mustard greens, in the same spot every year. The insects tend to bury underground, some of them, and they hatch underground. You plant in the same bed, the insects will finally just take it over and you'll have head growing across. So you need to move them around, and that keeps the insect population down for that particular plant.
I hear that mustard greens are bitter. Is that true, Pawpaw?
Yes and no, depends on the time of the year. A cold snap, a real cold snap will kill them, but a real cool snap will alter the taste. It takes some of the acidity taste out, the burn, the bite, and it makes them more bland, but they're delicious.
Go ahead.
Hey, Pawpaw Sammy, what are cole crops?
It's a mustard family. It's cabbage, kale. It originated in the Mediterranean back to when. It's cool weather crops, what it is, but they call it cole, C-O-L-E. I don't know. And this is my new redheaded stepdaughter.
So Pawpaw, why didn't you put cardboard down on your 3-year bed?
Because the bed's been established. You use your cardboard compost over a period of time. When you get the bed established, you can rake back the compost and plant your little mustard green seeds because they're so minute, they're so small. And when they start growing, I'll pick up a little compost every once in a while, just sprinkle it back in there. And by the time they grow out, I'll pull that compost back and plant something else. Go for it, Angel.
Hey Pawpaw, so why do you have 2 okra beds?
Well, one of them is a 3-year-old bed that I had developed over 3 years. And I really didn't realize how much it was going to produce. So I set up the 1-year bed for a trial area, comparison. I didn't realize the 1-year bed was going to be that good either. So we wound up with a freezer full of okra when we shouldn't have had half a freezer.
Oh.
I'm ready.
Pawpaw, these okra stalks and roots are huge. What are you going to do with them?
Eventually, I'm going to chop them up, put them in that pile over there, and I'm going to take them and I'm going to show a video on how to do a raised bed without buying your soil. And that'll be part of the raised bed. The okra stalks and the limbs and leaves and compost pile you're looking at.
Well, that's really interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome back to Allybug and Pawpaw Sammy's YouTube channel.
It's Pawpaw, Sammy, and Allybug's YouTube channel.
Who cares?
You got to say it that way.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Come on.
If she's on vacation.
Say it, Mama.
Come on, Mama.
Wait a minute.